Alright, what is up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Benny back at it again with the Corolla this time. So what I'm gonna be doing to this thing is Jamie's at work right now. This thing is messy, man. Like it's just dirty. We haven't had time to wash it. Like it's, look at that, it's messy. Like the trunk is a mess only because of the stuff from the meat that we haven't like cleaned out. But today the worst of the worst happened. Jamie spilled a drink on her seat in accident on this pink chair. It's really hard. It's also like suede, so this is really hard to keep clean, but it was an accident. But I'm gonna go ahead and give this a thorough cleaning. She's at work, she doesn't know. I'm gonna surprise her with this because we just haven't had time. We've been kind of busy washing it. I mean, doing some things here and there, so we haven't got the chance. But I'm gonna go ahead and wash it. Also pulling out the legit setup right here. If you don't have one of these, I don't know what you're doing with your life. Like, we got all the cleaning supplies right here, all the cleaning supplies over here. We got the chamois, and then the towels, and then what? More cleaning supplies? Fuck yeah. So we're gonna start off by spraying this down. Then the wheels, so we're gonna spray them down because they're dirty too. She's got like the nicest colors, but they're the hardest to keep clean because they get dirty. White wheels is really hard to keep clean, but yeah, we also gotta change these lug nuts out. They're getting old, man. But let's get to it. Look at that, the water's pink. That's what the little shampoo does, or the soap. That's what the soap does, makes it pink.
It was at this moment he knew. He fucked up.
I think I fucked up big time, you guys. The pressure washer accidentally cut it. I was trying to get this off. I was taking it off, but fuck, I don't know how I'm gonna tell her. Fuck. Alright, well, I guess that's that. Let's continue. This right here, legit right here, recommend it. Just spray it right there, spray some right here, back there. Bomb. Recommend this. 10 out of 10 right here. It's JDM as fuck. Even has it on the title. Just like that's done from the clean from the inside out. Other than this mishap, it's clean, my dude. It smells good too. Alright, you got. Alrighty then. So we're gonna go ahead and pick up Jamie from work. Let's see what she thinks. Let's see if she notices. If she notices, like right away, that'd be cool. If she doesn't, I'm gonna be really sad and my love is gonna be wasted. But we'll see and find out right now. I'm gonna go and pick her up. Let's get going. Can't reach the camera! Ah! Dope sunset, so we're gonna get some pictures right now for the Rolla. Let's see how these come out, but alright, you guys, she's off. Let's go see if she notices, you know? I don't think she's gonna notice. My love always goes unnoticed. Let's see this though. Let's see this though. It's also a little dark, so that's another thing, but it don't matter. It should still go noticed. Alright, we'll see right now. Here she comes, here she comes. She does not notice, she didn't notice.
You cleaned the car.
Oh, you saw?
Yeah.
From the outside?
Yeah. I noticed everything.
Oh. She noticed. Damn, she even said it. I said saying that she's not gonna notice. She's not gonna notice. Because my love always goes unnoticed. Well, I guess she noticed, so there's that. So.
Did I disappoint you?
Okay, there is, you know, with love, there's always heartbreak.
You didn't get us food?
Oh, no, not that. But, so as I was washing the car, you know, I was washing it, spraying it down. The pressure washer accidentally, like,
You took off my happy sticker, huh?
No, which happy sticker?
What sticker did you take off?
It took off some of the wrap.
Where?
On this side. Like a little smudge. But I have an idea on how we can fix it. It's don't worry. It's good. It won't go. You won't see it. Like once we fix it and everything. You'll see it right now. Sorry. It's an accident. I didn't mean to.
I still love you. The wrap is getting old. I didn't take care of it like I was.
Because I was trying to take off some of that. I'm happy that she does notice my love. It doesn't go unseen or whatever. Ah. So we got a request for a pentagram Teruzukawa. We're probably gonna make more of these. These won't be the only one, but someone requested it, so I guess we're doing it just like that. Also, another thing I do want to point out, I didn't get to point out the other day. So I got a star in here, so I mean it's covering up that little thing for now. But it doesn't look too bad. See, it goes with the car, so we're good. Okay, yeah. This is the first order, the first out-of-state order from our website. It's pretty cool. You get the letter of her name, first name, and 2 Meister stickers. These are all free. Stuff right there, and a thank you card. Don't fall asleep on these. Go down to the website right now. Get yours today. and you get 30% off a Meister shirt. Also, sweaters are coming in soon. We're talking about like within the week. Get your stuff. Alright, you guys, well, that's it for that video. Thank you guys for watching. You know, like I said before, go ahead and check out Meister down below. Get 10% off Meister code at the end. You also get 30% off when you purchase Terzico off any clothing. Also check out the Amazon links down below for any products that I've used in the past videos. But other than that, like I said before, thank you guys for watching. Peace out. See you in the next one.